God, my boy.
Computer audio. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Anything at your end? Maybe it's my headset. Maybe I can't hear you. Hey, click on the monthly if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Oh, maybe not. Let's try my headphones. This one. Hello, testing 1 2 3. No. Yo. I heard something. What's going on, man? John? No, I don't think you're at your screen. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Yo, yo, yo. I got a dime in my pocket and I'm about to drop a rhyme. Can you hear me? Did you hear my awesome rapping? Are you laughing and just like staying quiet so I talk more? Oh shit. Oh, you're not even on your screen. Can you hear me? Look at her go.
I can hear you now.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
I could you hear me the entire time or?
No, I had it muted, so I didn't even know you.
Oh, okay,
I
that's
didn't even
why.
know you had hopped on. All right.
You have iPhone?
Huh?
Did you say you have an iPhone?
Oh yeah, I said I didn't even know you had hopped
Oh,
on.
go. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish I would have. We would have been on the call a little bit earlier, say like 7:30. I just executed my trade on the Dow Jones, and or on the US 30, and she's spiking up nice.
Oh, she's up.
Oh yeah, look at her. She's like she broke through my support at the 24,500 level, and she's breaking up.
Oh,
A nice psych level.
she's definitely off to the races.
Oh yeah, especially with earnings coming out today, it's going to be a nice day.
Right.
Oh, all our trades are blue. Oh, it's a lovely day. I woke up there around 3 or 4, seen everything was blue. I said, all right, I'm going back to bed.
Right. Everything was blue.
How you feeling today, by the way?
My nose is still stuffed like hell, but I'm alright.
All right, well, hope you feel better, man.
Yeah. These pairs are gonna go bonkers today.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I think like you said, the Dow Jones gonna keep running. I still think that. What do you think about the dollar? You think it's gonna drop?
Dollar? Oh yeah, 100% gonna drop.
That's what I think too. I think the earnings are gonna be low.
Yeah.
I got a good. I got some high sell positions here on the USDCF right now.
You still holding your UJ trade?
Yeah. I'm actually. I'm in the red 4 pips right now on UJ.
In the red? What's
Yeah, I had took profit yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Because in that range, and I entered right here, right at what is this? 111.9. 111.92. So this current 15-minute candle took me out of blue. The one that
okay.
In now.
Are we recording live to the class?
Yeah, we're streaming.
And are we streaming on YouTube as well?
Yep.
Okay, excellent.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So what pair do you want to start off? Well, I'll let you go ahead and run through the data, the econ data today.
Yeah, all right, let's go through some news releases. So for news releases, we got let me pull up my news onto this screen so I'm talking towards the mic, not away from it.
Okay. Now, do you want to take the screen? I can share it for you.
Yeah, sure. Let's just share screen here.
All right.
I'll have to, there we go. Share screen. Screen number 2. Share.
Bingo. And now I'm
Bingo.
going to stream this on.
Good to go?
Yep.
All right, cool. So for news releases today, 19 minutes, we got some Canadian news coming out. Low impact, manufacturing, shipments should be pretty good. We have oil pushing up, so that should actually, I do think the news will come out positive because of that. Everything kind of plays together. Low impact. This I actually do want to pay attention to at 9:15 was the industrial productions. The data coming out there. And other than that, we got Fed Capel's speech at 2 o'clock, and not really a whole lot of news today. Tonight, we're definitely going to have some New Zealand news, some high impact there. That's going to move the New Zealand tonight. We'll also we can look for some trades based off that.
It's also been spiking all morning.
Yeah, it's been all over the New Zealand dollar. And overnight at 10 o'clock tonight, we got some Chinese data coming out, some gross domestic products, yearly and quarterly data coming out.
Good deal.
So let's slap that back over here. Now, let's see here. Back to the markets. Top 5 things. Top 5.
That's my favorite article, right? That's my favorite article to read.
Oh, I love it. It's top 5 things to know in the market on Tuesday. Fantastic.
Right. When I get that alert saying top 5 things to watch this week, I stop everything I'm doing and open it.
Oh yeah, you have to. It's you get so much information off of it, and you can base your base your trades off
of that.
Exactly. Oh yeah. So what do we got? We got Bank of America coming out for earnings today. We got United Health, Netflix also due after the close, and Disney recent announcement that it'll expect a streaming service in November. So that's
going to affect Netflix.
Oh yeah, that's definitely going to affect. Oh yeah, they're going to take a hit.
Yeah, they're going to take a hit today.
AT&T sells back Hulu stake, giving Disney an edge. Actually, there was an article I was reading there the other day. Disney's actually looking at opening a, or not a resort, but what do you call it? Not their Playland. I don't know what the hell they call it.
Like an amusement park?
Yeah, an amusement park. They're looking at opening up an amusement park on Toronto Island in Canada.
Oh wow!
Yeah, so that's gonna be. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fantastic. Bring a lot of tourism back to Canada. Housing industrial production data due 10 o'clock. Industrial production's 9:15. So that's pretty much it. Oil prices struggle. I don't know. When I was looking at oil, it was pushing up. So I
just gonna say, what is oil looking like? Let's go.
Yeah, she's pushing up. She's at 63. So I still see her pushing up more.
Way down.
Oh yeah, that USD CAD's that's an excellent trade for today. Is a USD CAD on a short. If I draw this real fast, head, shoulder, neckline, breakdown.
Real beautiful.
Not bad. Lufthansa, I don't know who the heck that is. Luft reports surprise loss. U.S. airlines on the watch. Germany's biggest airline. Adjusted loss of 336 million. That's going to affect the DAX big time. Not the Dow Jones, but the DAX, the German.
They just recorded losses of that much?
Yeah. Germany's biggest airline reported an adjusted loss of 336 million in the first quarter. Pounds, sorry, that's pounds, not $413 million in the first quarter in our terms. They blame the loss on rising fuel costs.
That is ridiculous. They're going to need to find a new CEO.
Holy crap, this kid looks like a kid. Maybe he is a kid, but still. Let's take a look at the components real quick. Dow Jones components, performance. They're 50-50, I'd say. However, with a lot of data coming out, I do see the Dow Jones pushing up. Hence why I had got in. She broke the 500 psych level. I got in at the 8 o'clock candle, so I'm going to be taking a buy on that position. Whoops, there we go.
In my opinion, with the stocks and the dollar, what do you think about when the dollar's falling? Doesn't typically the value of the stocks in dollar terms rise? because of the just to keep the balance of the stocks? Does the stock price rise when the dollar falls?
That I don't know actually. I'm gonna take a look into that and back test that.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna do the same thing
I want to see.
because
Okay.
just by thinking of it in layman terms, when the dollar is falling, that would increase the price of the stocks just to hold the value of the company up. Right? It's almost like inflation.
Hmm. Yeah, I hear. I understand what you're saying. I'm gonna look into that
Yeah,
and
I'm gonna
back.
look into that a little more too.
Yeah.
Try to keep my eye
Uh,
on it because almost that's what's happening now. If the dollar's falling and the Dow's going up,
oh yeah. Let's see here. Pound is limited by downtrend resistance. Okay. Daily look. Clear cross above the 50 MA to target 1385 ahead of 1435. USD is quiet. Euro USD is quietly making its way to the upside. FX Street News. USD JP faces tough resistance, bounce or break. Oh, that was yesterday.
what time we got? 8:15.
Yeah, 817 right now. Crypto news majors. Weekly. Okay, we already went through that the other day. Actually, I don't think we had a call show the news, but we got the UK jobs reports today at 8:30. Chinese GDP at 2 o'clock. UK inflation's at 8:30 on Wednesday. Australian jobs report on Thursday at 1:30. Eurozone's PMI Thursday at 7:15. UK retail sales on Thursday, again at 8:30. US retail sales Thursday at 12:30. Thursday is going to be our and Wednesday are both going to be big days. So and then Thursday closing out early to close out before the holiday.
Yep. Sounds
That's
like a plan. Yeah, Wednesday's gonna be huge, I believe.
Oh yeah, it's going to be a phenomenal day. What did I want to pull up next here? Forex source real quick. Let's see anything real quick here.
What's the name of that website again, right there?
This is Forex source.
The Forex Source. Okay, that's the one you subscribe to, right?
Yeah, it's $250 a month. Asia, okay. Now this is what I want to see right here. FX, AUD New Zealand, once again, seems that the official RBA policy statement failed to reveal all, as alongside the neutral stance and guidance maintaining no need to change rate in the near term, there was a relatively detailed discussion about easing. To the extent that criteria was laid out, hence AUD USD has retreated to retest sub 0.7150 levels, and the AUD New Zealand crosses back under the 106 handle, even though the Kiwi also took a heed of RBNZ Governor Orr reaffirming an easing bias overnight, with New Zealand USD pivoting at 67.50 handle, and now looking to the latest GDT auction and New Zealand CPI for more direction.
And that's coming out tomorrow, right?
Mm-hmm. Pound Jappy, cable largely shrugged off broadly in the line of the UK jobs. All weaker. CAD, Euro, CHF, all weaker versus the greenback, with the loonie still suffering in the wake of Monday's cautious, if not downbeat, Business of Canada survey. Bank of Canada, not Business of Canada. You ever do that where you start reading ahead and then words come into play further down behind you, and it's like, oh, fuck, that's not what I meant to say. All right, so on the news today, not really a whole lot.
Not a whole lot, yeah.
There's really not a lot that's going to be stopping the current direction. So current trend directions should hold strong. unless you got some major resistance or support coming into play. If it breaks those levels, watch for it to continue its trend. And remember, the trend is your friend. I'm trying to come up with a catchy catchphrase, but I really got nothing yet.
Is there no trades popping up yet?
Let's take a look. See. On gold, how's that gold trade holding out on your end? Are you still in it?
Gold is I'm in profit right now. I'm up 110 pips. You know,
what was your entry on that, or did you send out on that?
1283.
1283. Okay, buy 1290 or lower. Okay, excellent. You got 1283. Okay, cool. What's the stop loss? 1280. Okay.
Yeah, 1280.
Beautiful. So that'll play out for the day. That'll probably go for a few days. Yeah, I don't see it moving a whole lot.
USD CHF finna fall too.
USD CHF. Oh, she had a hell of a push up, eh? Mm-hmm. Let's pull that out to the 4-hour chart.
I believe she's gonna reverse for this New York session.
Yeah, let's get rid of this.
Pound's getting ready to spike too. I think everything's really gonna spike at 8:30. When is there a news announcement that comes out at 8:30?
Negative. Well, there is, but it's Canadian data and it's just low. It's not really going to move the market. Okay. The only thing that's going to move the market is really earnings today. That's about it.
Okay. Well, today then what's going to happen is probably a reaction from maybe some news that happened yesterday. But I think we'll see a big aggressive move coming here in the next hour. On a lot of these market pairs, like USD CHF, I believe this is gonna make a big move in the next hour. Damn, you can't see my screen right now, can you?
No, I can't. But if you see my screen here, it's coming up to the near the top of my channel here.
This is USD CHF. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, on the 4 hours. So I definitely see it coming back down to the yesterday's support level there. Or just below the pivot, the S1 level here. So
yeah, I see it to come to about 1002 today.
1002. Oh yeah, okay. It's like basically right at my same level there, almost.
Yep, that's why I see it. Almost dead on the money.
Yeah, beautiful. That's a nice 3 to 1 risk reward. Beautiful. Excellent trade there. Let's see, what do we got for USD Jappy? I can get rid of these. Last week, and we've been waiting for that USD to be falling, and it's coming. It's just
coming. It's just stalling out. It's waiting on some data. It's waiting on one of these data reports that's coming up. I believe it's going to be the earnings.
Oh yeah, definitely the earnings. As the earnings tank out,
that's going to pull this market with it.
Oh yeah. Let's see what the fuck I got too much.
Beautiful double top over the past 4 weeks.
On what? Chart. Double top over the past 2 weeks.
Right there on the left of your screen.
Yeah, I see it.
And right where we're at now.
Actually, do you see what I see though?
What do you see? Let's see. Yep.
And we're inverse head and shoulders. So if that comes to play,
we might shoot up high.
We might be pushing up to the 114 level.
That would be an aggressive move. That would turn the pound completely around.
That's plausible. That's actually very plausible there.
That's interesting because that would change.
That would fuck a lot of shit up.
Yeah.
If that comes into play, let's see how many pips that would be here.
Yeah.
The 114. Oh, that's actually not bad. It's 190 pips up to the top there.
Okay.
It's not bad, but still, that's a hell of a move.
Hell yeah, that would throw.
We haven't seen those highs since December.
Wow, and it's holding above $1.
Yeah.
gotta check.
All right,
I don't
let's.
know if anybody's asking any questions. Let me check one real quick.
In an AU and sell and UJ buy. Oh, that was 9:30 last night. Oh wow. Okay, I gotta like scroll down here to catch up. Any questions? Anybody feel free to comment in the chat and or on the YouTube channel, whichever one. As we are, let's get rid of this.
Yeah, I did have a typo in there on the.
And the other parts of companies are getting a lot of attention on Washington these days. There have been suits appearing for Silvergrass, etc. Give us an update from your point of view on the potential. Okay, so let's move on to the Euro USD. Let's see what we got here. Euro USD, I'm still waiting for that trade to come into play. I still believe it to be pushing up more, up to the 13,300 level, and I'm still waiting for that sell to come into play. That's why every day I have this set. It's ready. It's waiting. Right. I'm stocking this trade. It's going to be a gorgeous trade when it comes into play.
Yeah, I'm stocking this pound and this euro.
Oh yeah, and pound and the euro. Let's take a look at the pound here. The reason I say for the euro, it's in a nice channel. It's bearish. I'm looking to take it on the downside to follow the trend go suit with the trends and take that fucker down. Now for the pound has been bouncing off that trend. Nice. Gorgeous entry for a trade right there on the pound. Oh, she's pushing down. What the hell?
Let me move my stop out of the way. She's pushing down aggressive.
3606.20.
Oh, she came super aggressive.
There's no news coming out that should be causing anything like that.
I had a feeling something aggressive was coming down. Was about to happen at 8:30. I felt
Fuck. That's actually pushing down to. I do see another outer trend here. Let's see. Oops.
I think we're gonna be all right once it's 30. Once it's 15-minute candle closes.
Yeah. Yeah, she should hold that outer trend line. Man, you need some like.
I've been taking this little NyQuil shit. I've been drugged up over here. I'm surprised I'm awake.
I'm
awake.
You know you take too much meds when you're surprised you're awake. Oh shit. Okay, let's see what do we got. USD CHF. Yeah, that's gonna come into play. Actually, let me set that up real fast here. USD CHF.
That spike took my gold out.
Oh, it took your gold out?
Yeah, I had it in. I had my stops in profit, but it's still gone now.
No, okay.
See that, drop on gold.
Whoa, fuck! What?
The dollar must have shot up, the dollar must be shooting up like crazy.
The dollar's hardly moving, man. Like, look at that. That's hardly moving.
Yeah, I'm looking. I just zoom into it. It's barely moving, but this is moving the hell out of these dollar pairs.
The Dow Jones is quite stagnant right now. It's moved up a bit, but not really a whole lot. I don't know what's moving gold so much, but holy shit, eh?
You see it?
What the?
I want to say, I think these are stop punts.
Because there's no reason for it. Actually, do you see the tweezer tops here, or the double top here on the 30-minute chart on golds?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, that's.
Look at the do you have the RSI on yours?
RSI. I can throw it up here. Hold on.
Take a look at that RSI on the 4-hour chart of gold. It is extremely overbought. That's why I feel it's a stop punt, and when the hour closes, it's going to reverse.
Look at the RSI on the 4-hour on golds.
I think we're going to turn on the next 4-hour candle. We might get a railroad.
Yeah, she's way over, eh?
Way over.
Way oversold. When's the next 4-hour candle come out? 27 minutes.
Yeah, 27 minutes.
It's not bad.
You're just throwing a deep trap.
Interesting. Okay, let's focus. I gotta zone back in here. Let's move back over to the Aussie. Aussie USD, still in that trade still in play. Nice sell. I still believe it to be bearish. She's on the bull a little bit. Fuck.
Everything just literally reversed.
Yeah. New Zealand. Interesting. New Zealand dollar is just stagnant. That doesn't move. USD CADs. Let's zoom into the 30-minute chart. USD CAD's actually in a nice coming into a nice chance for a re-entry. Let's sell on that. Euro Jappy. Sell. Short. Nice sell area right there. Now for placing sells and using patterns as an indication, you can, when you're looking to place your stop, you normally go about halfway to a third of the way up. So roughly, here's 10 pips here. We're on the 30-minute chart, so I want to give it a little more playroom. And then you're going to use equal distance from the high of the head to the low, which would be about 20 pips, roughly, give or take. I'm eyeballing it here, but that's about right. I have a good eye. I trust my eye.
Yeah, you did.
Okay. Let's move. Euro Jappy. What's Euro Jappy doing? Now let's go to the 2-hour chart. Yeah, she's ranging. Holy shit.
Yeah, Euro Jappy, you see that big huge spike down?
Yeah. What was that from overnight?
I have no idea. That happened this morning in London, though.
Yeah, because when I looked at my phone, I seen my Euro Jappy trade was way in profit. And then this morning, when I come back on, it's like I moved my stop to break even. It's like Euro trade back got I moved into profit. But anyways, I got stopped out. So I was like, what the hell? News release. There was high impact at 4:30 this morning from on the United Kingdom, so definitely could have affected the euro. Yeah, man, you're placing trades like crazy, eh?
Yeah, accidentally, I had my pound chart up to re-enter on the pound.
Yeah.
I fucking entered in on USD CHF for a buy. I don't know how that happened. So I had to exit that real quick.
Gotta love it. Nice trend
that
there.
Gold is fucking tanking.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't understand. Like you said, I think it's probably a stop hunt. Huh. Let's put us mark here. And actually, it looks like a nice little range here for the Pound Jappy. Nice little 60 pip range. Be a nice little area to jump in for a nice little buy. She's bullish. She's
on the Euro Jappy.
Yeah. Sorry, Pound Jappy. Yeah, nice little area right there. Nice little scalp. Put a nice little stop at 20 pips. Tight stop. Yeah, that's a good, nice little trade. I'm gonna place that one right now. So, is there anything you're looking up on the day?
No, I don't see too much of anything else other than the trades we just analyzed. Aussie, the Pound USD, USD CHF. All of these trades, I believe, are going to still follow suit on our analysis once the session kicks in.
Yeah, once the 9:30 session starts up.
Yeah, because I got back in pound and gold, and I'm in profit in both of them.
Nice.
Those stop punts are a bitch.
I'm going to give you a screen. I just got to run to the washroom.
All
right. Stop. How do I stop? Oh, they're right there. There you go. All right, I'll back in a few.
All right, do we got anybody on? Got any questions about anything?
Hello,
Yo.
hello. Your screen's not sharing, eh?
What do you see? It's not. Let's see. Oh, okay. I got it.
Nope, I don't see any. Oh, there we go. There it is. All right. So, okay. So for watch pairs on the day, we got the pound USD, we got USD CHF, and USD CAD. What else? We said, what else was there? The Aussie? No. Pound?
I believe it was USD CAD.
Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Pound USD, USD CAD, and the USD CHF. All right, cool. Now for the US 30, she's back at the 26,500 level.
How's she behaving over there?
And she's behaving, but she's holding strong above the 26.5, so I'm happy with it right now. I'm in on a buy on the US 30. I got in at 26 for something, like 490, I think it was. So I'm in profit at the moment.
Good deal.
Now let's see what else we got. Market movers for the day. Look at that DXY. She's pushing up.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at a minute ago.
Gold's kind of starting to retrace back up a bit there.
Yeah, I think that was that dollar just went back up to the high of the day, retested it, see if it was gonna be able to break. But you know, the session still hasn't came in play yet, so we still got some time for these trades to shift.
Now, so I'm just writing some notes down here of things I want for our next session. Yeah, that's well, I don't think it would fare too well up here in northern Canada. That's a normal day up here during the middle of winter.
Oh wow!
Throat burns, nose runs. Oh man, it's it becomes a second part of life.
Right, inevitable.
Oh yeah, you can't run. Let's see what else I got down. So I was thinking for our next class that we start pulling up. Well, actually, we'll discuss that after. Never mind. Anyone wants us to analyze? Speak now. Ever hold your peace.
Yeah, I don't think anybody.
No one's on.
Is tuned in. Nope.
No. Okay. All right. I guess I can talk then. That doesn't matter. So last night, meeting went well. Buddy's signing up. He's joining, coming on board. I have another meeting tonight, and then I have another meeting on Wednesday as well. Is today Tuesday or Wednesday? Today's Tuesday. Yeah, I got another meeting on Wednesday as well.
Oh, yeah, today's Tuesday. I got one at 12. Good deal.
Nice. Now, I was thinking since we have a lot of time, like it's a 2-hour window, right? Mm-hmm. I was thinking maybe taking a half hour to an hour, just going through the course. Okay. You know? Yeah. do a section, and then we can further elaborate on them on those through the course.
Okay, you want to start that up tomorrow?
Yeah, let's start it up tomorrow, and then we'll the way we'll have it, we'll work it. Every day we'll go through the course all the way to the end, and then once we get to the end, we restart it back at day one, and we just kind of like continuously run the course. We'll figure out how long it takes us to run the course through. Maybe it takes us a week to go through it, and then every Monday we can like announce it. Every Monday, get in for beginner training, and then Wednesdays is advanced technical analysis, type of thing.
Yeah, okay. That sounds good.
Okay.
Like a weekly schedule, weekly routine.
Yeah, a little timetable there. Yeah. And then people will say that they want to listen in on something specific. They'll tune in specifically for that day to get in that information, right? Because a 2-hour window it's a long time to fill. We can only talk so much about news and look at the charts and shit. Because all in all, trading, if you're doing it right, trading's boring.
Right.
Like it's exciting, but it's yeah. If there's no one's around to analyze anything, it's like we already have our analysis.
We already have our analysts. It's like, hello, where you guys at?
Exactly. So it's like, all right.
This is what I used to run into last time.
The trouble?
No, just I would be on here, do all my analysis, and then I'm like, okay, where you at? Twiddling my thumbs.
Yeah. It's like anytime now, anybody can come around. Well, that's what I would do in the morning. Like after I got my trades running, I'd slap on Netflix and watch Netflix.
Right. I just enrolled for this online poker, so I'm gonna start.
Oh, nice. Through which one?
It's called betonline.org. .ag. Hold on, let me see the exact website. Yeah, betonline.ag. I don't know what country it is or whatever. I just signed up for it. I know it's not something here regulated in the U.S. though.
I think there's a few poker places. There's I know there's one that's regulated. My buddy, he used it. I can't remember what it's called though. I'm just gonna type in poker on the App Store. It's
on this one they do all type of bets. They do sports betting, live casino betting, poker, race bets.
Oh, they do everything.
Yeah, they do everything.
Shit, they have the app on on the phone or what?
No, it's just a website. It's betonline.ag.
Betonline.ag. Okay. AG sounds like Argentina.
Might be. Yeah, that does sound like Argentina. It might be Argentina. I've been looking for some more. Just I haven't found too many that do. I want real money betting. That's what I'm looking for. I don't want to do those little credits and all that other shit.
Are you a poker player?
Hell yeah, I play poker.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love poker.
All right. Let's. When I find out, I'll talk to my buddy today and find out what poker site he uses.
Okay.
He brings in like $200 a month just trading, playing poker.
Right. Yeah. It's definitely. I can't wait. I've been looking for a real cash poker tournament for almost like a year. I haven't been aggressively looking. Like every now and then when it crosses my mind, I'll look for a minute. Then I won't find nothing. I just stop until it pops up in my head again.
I'm pretty sure it's Poker Stars. I'm not 100%, but
gracious.
Oh, what the fuck's happening to the pound?
I don't know, but that pound is kicking my ass.
Shit, son.
Goodness gracious.
I should have closed out all my trades overnight. Fuck.
That's what I'm thinking. I should have closed my trades right before this damn 8 o'clock bell.
My buddy texted me at 5:30 this morning, and I just look at my phone. I'm like, whatever. I'm not gonna respond. I'll look at my trades. Well, I'm up. Oh shit, 6 times the amount I am now, and I was like, what? And I was like, whatever. It'll probably just continue to keep going up. No, by the time I got up, it was back down. I was like, what the fuck happened? No, well,
It's what it is. Let them play out. That's one thing that got me in the past was I would close out my trades too early, and I wouldn't let my profits run. I'd get scared and I'd close them out. So I've learned to let my trading plan dictates that I do not close out my trades, and I let
the stops hit.
I let everything play out. That way, I have my risk reward will always be the same. It'll always. It'll keep me in profit all the time.
Sounds about right.
Pound just stopped me.
You stopped me all the way out.
I'm
gonna wait until 9, but I'm still riding with this pound. I'm just not gonna re-enter until the next hour. That stop hunt is fucking vicious. As long as we don't break back down here to the low of last week, we're fine. And the low of last week is gonna be right here.
Yeah, she breaks down that low wall.
Yeah, she's out of here if she goes that low.
What the fuck is going on here? Pound New Zealand. GBP New Zealand. What the fuck's up with the pound?
Pound is... Ugh. Pound just pissed me off today on this Tuesday. But we're going to get that right back. Gold moved in our favor, so I'm making my funds back there from that stop out.
Man, she just keeps pushing down, eh? Like, I gotta do some research. I gotta find out what's going on here.
Yeah, I'm pulling it up on my phone right now as we speak.
Anything pound and pound related, pound news.
I don't see anything pound related, so I think this is the dollar.
Well, if you look at the news, pound New Zealand, like even look at the pound New Zealand, she's tanking out hard. Yeah.
Yeah, she is.
So I don't understand, like, well, what's going on here? Let's see.
Okay, pound New Zealand looked like she just met support.
Yeah, she's starting to hold a little bit there at the 93,300, but
I wasn't prepared for that fall at all. No,
it's a good thing I have large stops. Like I keep my stops fairly open there, but not open, but 50 pips, you know.
Yeah.
Pound. What came out this morning? That was Pound News, United Kingdom. They had some high impact. That came out negative, but that was like at 4:30 this morning. Is it just affecting coming into play now?
Yeah, and see, I had a feeling I saw something gearing up, but I didn't know there was any data on the UK that came out. I'm looking at it now.
Yeah, they had average earnings excluding bonus come out and unemployment rates. So, yeah, that had some effect, but that should have came into play a lot sooner. Like not 4 hours, 5 hours later, like, Linda Ben. Oh man, that looks scary on the 1 minute chart.
That is my buy entry for this gold. But here's the 5 minute, and here is the 15.
Latest news, anything?
I really want, as long as I really want this 15 minute to close like it is.
Gold technicals analysis slides closer to year-to-date lows, confirming a near-term bearish breakdown on gold.
Interesting. And what caused that?
Let me pull it up here.
I'm looking at these 30-minute candles on this pound. These things are vicious.
Yeah, man. It's an odd day, that's for sure. It doesn't say why it's breaking down. It just says it's coming down to the retracement zones of 1310 supply zones, and that's all it's given. It's not really talking a whole lot about it, but that's even old 13, 10, 11 supply zones. However, any attempted bounce might now be seen as selling opportunities for immediate downside target of 1269 to 68 before the commodity eventually drops to a test of the 1260 support area.
Goodness gracious.
Yeah, I don't want to see gold that low.
I don't either.
That's going to hurt the Canadian economy. That's going to hurt everyone. All right, well, I guess we hold on for the ride, eh?
Right, that's about all we can do is ride this way. We in now. We in for the ride.
Hell yeah. US 30. All right, well, I'm going to watch my US 30 now that 55 seconds, 9 a.m.'s coming up, 9:30. Whew. Time to kick the feet up on the desk. And I ordered a gaming chair a couple of weeks ago, and I was anticipating it to come in yesterday, and a box shows up, a big box, like it's ready for the gaming chair. Something completely different. I'm like, fuck sakes. My hopes were like crushed. I was like, oh, I was so disappointed. So last night, while I'm at the restaurant with
all right, Pound's gonna go. I think she's gonna go.
Oh yeah, she's starting to bounce back.
I knew it. Here we go. Come on, don't push back down. Go up.
Pound USD short profit point. Yeah, she should get a little bit of a quick retracement there.
Moving my stops and my TPs.
USD. That's a nice.
Come on down. I got a binary on CHF.
That's a hell of a nice. Oh, there's a lot of gaps on there. Holy shit. Oh, you're on the 1 minute. No wonder. Yeah, these are all stop hunts today because there's no reason for these shenanigans there.
No reason whatsoever.
Damn market makers.
Right.
Manipulated
the whole damn market.
Damn, I know. Fuck. They could just let people be and make their money, you know, it'd be so much simpler.
Right. They still make good money every day.
Oh yeah, they make hella good money. I was looking at a position for a market maker in Montreal, Quebec.
Oh yeah.
Up here in Canada, yeah, there was a position that came available as a market maker, so I was inquiring about it, and you need some like economic degrees and a whole shebang. I'm like, oh fuck, piss on this there.
You gotta be like a fucking super data economic analyst, all type of stuff. You gotta be.
Oh yeah, you need
in tune with everything.
you got to be like you pretty much have to go to school as long as a doctor for like 10 years, and then come out with like whatever, knowing the market like the back of your hand.
Right. So now USD CHF wants to play nice.
Good. Maybe everything else will follow suit. USD CAD's dropping. Good. Am I in a buy or selling the USD JPY? No, I'm going to sell. Good. Fuck. Institutional research. CNY almost flat in quarter one 2019. Honestly, I never trade the CNY, so I don't care.
Yeah, I never trade that.
Anybody in Telegram? Hello out there.
Let me check and see if anybody hopped on the YouTube.
Nobody on the YouTube? Pinpointing the next market catalyst.
What you reading?
Bloomberg. It's a headline on the on Bloomberg channel. That's a nice M actually right there. Do you see that on your Aussie New Zealand?
Yeah, up here.
Yeah. And actually, I see that turning into a channel. You got your trend, yeah, and then you got your bottom channel there too.
Yeah, I see that. So we'll probably come up to at least.
Yeah, somewhere in that area.
I need this USD CHF to come down about half another pip for my binary trade.
Half another pip, what, to go back?
Yeah, to cross back over in the profit on my binary.
Right on. What accounts broker to use for your binary? Damn, there she goes, eh?
Yep. Close option.
Close options, okay. How are they for paying out?
Pretty good. They usually pay out on the same day.
Oh, nice. Yeah, there's a lot of sketchy ones out there. I only trusted a few.
Yeah, there's tons. I've seen so many binary brokers come and go over the past 4 or 5 years. It don't make sense.
Oh, yeah. It's crazy, man. It's ridiculous how many brokers there were. Excuse me. Wow, that came out of nowhere. Oh, nice. That's a hell of a pin bar. Damn.
Right, I just
Well,
know that fucking feel.
Well, I guess that's only a pip there, but still. Everything looks massive on the minute chart. Damn.
Oh, no, this right here is 1 hour.
No, you're on the minute chart. On the CHF, the screen that I can see.
Oh, shit. Okay, yeah, that's the minute. Oh, okay, yeah, I see. I was on a different MetaTrader.
Too many accounts.
Yeah, right. Right here, I was saying, I hope this doesn't fucking pin feel. Come crashing.
Oh, that pin bar. Oh shit! Almost hitting your stop loss, eh?
Yeah, this hour pin bar. That's what I hope it doesn't feel. But I believe with this right here, I can actually pull my stop a little tighter and put it right here. Because if we come and feel this pin right here on this 5-minute break,
Yeah.
we come and feel this whole hour. So let's just we turn around right there. Also on this time for not this one. Right here, we have a slight channel here on the at 4 hour.
Go back out. Zoom all the way up. Were you on the daily chart?
Right here.
Maybe it was on the 4-hour chart. I don't know. I don't remember where I see it now.
Here?
I do see. Yeah, that right there. Do you see right at the 80-hour low level? Now draw a line right across the base, and then you got yourself a descending a bearish wedge coming in.
Tremendous bearish wedge. And now that I'm looking at it, I see a gap here too.
Oh yeah, I see that gap too, big time.
That's exactly where we're going right now, I believe.
Feel that gap?
Yep.
Yeah, that's a very strong possibility. Yeah, I seen as soon as you had the chart up, I'm like, bearish wedge. Oh shit! But you do see a little. I do see a little bit of a bullish channel, but it did break that channel on the shorter time frame.
Yeah, that's what I just saw too. This is what I saw. I saw this channel, but when I drew it, I'm like, oh shit, that's a huge break.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she broke out hard.
She broke that channel hard. Extremely hard. Yeah. Life of a day trader. Right.
Forex trader, day trader, forex trader, whatever the hell you want to call us. People ask, what do you do? People don't know what forex is around here, so I'm like, I'm a day trader.
I'm a financial analysis.
Is that what you go with?
No, that's what I'm gonna start saying though.
I'm a financial analyst. Yeah, I like that one actually. It sounds more professional.
Financial analyst.
Yeah, I've been going with trader, but I like that.
Sounds sophisticated enough.
Right?
Looking at this also, look at this resistance area here.
Let's see. Yeah, I see that. Where they have your black line drawn there, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But she broke through it, though, and she confirmed the breakout on the bottom side of it.
Yep, right here.
Yeah. I think you might be SOL for your pound trade.
Yeah. I got a buy stop way up here at the top of this. Let me put my trade right now on the pound is actually right in break even. It's ain't done nothing. This is the 1 minute chart, so you see my entry is literally where price is. Dollar's stalled out. I think it's still gonna push up some more.
I think everything's going to be. I think the dollar is waiting for some economic. Bleh, holy crap!
Some data.
Thank you. Yes.
What's next? Isn't earnings coming in a minute?
Yeah. Well, we got. What was this here? 3 minutes capacity utilization, low impact. Industrial productions is coming at in 3 minutes as well. So that's medium impact. So we'll see how that plays out.
But we do have earnings coming out throughout the morning. So that'll push up or push down the U.S. economy. I'm kind of biased. I kind of hope it pushes the U.S. dollar up. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's bullish. Bullish. Countdown, 20 minutes.
Who's bullish?
The Dow. The US 30.
I think we're good to go on these trades.
I think so too. Well, since no one's around, do you want to keep the call going or do you want to call her an early day?
Yeah, we can wrap it up. I actually got some errands to run. I can go ahead and get started on that.
All right, sounds good, man.
Tomorrow morning, you said you want to get together a little earlier?
Yeah, we can if you want to hop on a little earlier, we can. And then we can go over what we're going to be talking about for the day and we're going to be starting with section number 1 there, but start with training, going through the training there with the class there, say for a half hour each day.
Okay. Sounds like a plan. Right after we go through the news or before we go through the news?
Let's do that all after the news.
Okay.
We'll do our news, we'll do our analysis, we'll do everything, and then we'll move over to education afterwards.
Sounds like a plan.
All right.
All right, bro. Take care today.
You too, man. Ciao for now.